Hello there, welcome to my channel Tricky Maths again. Last week we were talking about the square numbers with last digit 5. Today we are talking about what happened to the other rest of numbers square. Then we write 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 we did know. Then 26, 27 and 28 and 29, like that way. So how do we get this one? Here 21 square, how do we get this one? Here this is a similar method. First we take ones place square. Ones place square is, what is the ones place square? 1. Okay, then we take multiple of both numbers. Both numbers means these three numbers. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2 again 4. Then we take tens place number square. What is the tens place number? 2. Then 2 times 2 or 2 square, what is the answer? 4. It is easy, no? Then when we take our previous method, let's check this answer if it is right. Then 1 times it is easy, no? 1 times 1 1, 1 times 2 2. Then again 2 times 1 2. Here 2 times 2 4. It is easy, no? Then you can check this one, right? The answer is then you can use this method in your exams as well. I think it is time management for good one. Let's take other 24 for figure it out more. So what is the ones place number here? 4, no? 4 times 4. That means 4 square. What is the answer? 16. 1 remain. Multiple of both numbers then. 2 times 4 8. 8 times 2 16. 16 plus 1 17, no? 17. 1 remain. Then 2 times 2, that means tens place number. 2 times 2 or 2 square. What is the answer? 4. 4 plus 1 5. Then this is the answer. Then you can check the other numbers as well. What happened there? Square number answer. Then that's for today video, and thank you. See you with other video.